continues expanding the Air Max 95 line in 2025, moving beyond the recent big bubble and gray gradient focus with the upcoming metallic silver release. This edition strips things back with a straightforward yet impactful design, built mostly in leather with mesh down the midline. The dark-toned base carries a near triple black vibe, highlighted only by carefully placed metallic silver accents. Part of a wave of general release colorways making headlines this week, the pair shows how simplicity still commands attention in the market. While not a collaboration or highly experimental makeover, its strong presence is undeniable. Men's sizing will retail at $190, with GS versions also set to arrive. Expected to launch in the coming weeks, the metallic silver offers fans a sleek, modernized take that balances restraint and bold detailing within Sergio Lozano's iconic silhouette.